Well, I'm here at the Grand Superior Lodge here in Two Harbors, Minnesota. This thing got modded. This was a Thyssen. Unfortunately, I got modded. Whoa. Who destroyed this thing? It's a $50 mod, too. Wow. This thing got modded. This is sad. So that, because it's just in the door. That's an innovation going on. Well. B-R-U-H. Bruh. Cap is still original. But seriously, innovation mod. Yeah. That's a good innovation going on. That's a decent boil. Boy. We lost another Thyssen with this crap. Because of everything junk. Also, I don't know if you can see that in the door. It just says Thyssen in there. That's a new boil. That's the old one unlocked. But yeah. Bruh.